Hello. In this video, I will show that how to check that your iPhone is open or repair. Open Chrome browser. Search 3U tools. Open the first one. Scroll down. Now click download. It will start automatically. Run the application. Click install.
Now click launch. Connect your cable to iPhone. Now trust your iPhone. Now click authorize view. Here your phone results. It's all okay. Now let me connect another who have falta. Here this phone have camera and battery change. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.